Today we're going to learn how to access our Google Drive to get documents and files that we have created previously and saved. If you will notice, this is your email up here in the corner when you get logged into Google Classroom. If you click that, you will get a little picture icon. You want to go to My Account. Then you want to go to the waffle or checkerboard pattern. When you click there, it opens up the various apps that you have. These should look familiar from weeks past. The Drive is your cloud. So when you click on Drive, it's going to open the folders that you have on your cloud. You should have Classroom. You want to go into the Classroom by clicking twice. You want to locate your teacher. You should only have one at this point. You will double click into that folder. And then there is the activity that you began. So you will open that by clicking this twice. It will put it in a new file. At this point, you want to look at the board and fill in the information that is missing, which would mean changing this to your teacher's name. In the case that I'm doing today, that's Whitmer. Then you could put the other teachers' names that are located on the board and fill in the information. So at the end, you will have all of these. Once you have done that, please refer to the piece of paper that is located at your desk and follow the instructions that you find there. So I'm looking at the piece of paper and it is telling me to type in the additional data that the teacher has provided. I will do a few just so that you see what I am asking for. So I looked up at the board, I clicked in the box, and I typed the name that's missing and the data that is below it. So I have completed step 1. Step 2 says to select all the data and only the data. So I'm going to select by clicking A1 and holding it down until I go all the way to E5. I can tell that it's selected because it is blue. Then it says to make the font size 12. That would be here. And I'm going to select it to 12. So it made it a little bigger. It told me to go Format, Font Size, 12. Step 3, select the types of candy. So that means chocolate, chewy, hard, and sour. And it told me A2 through A6. It says use the fill tool to change the cell color to yellow. And then I'm following the steps that it says. Format, conditional formatting, bucket picture, which is over here, and light blue. No, yellow. Okay. Then it's step 5. It says select all the teachers' names. So I'm clicking, holding while I select them all. Then I'm going to use that fill tool again, which is located under Format, Conditional Formatting, and it is the paint bucket, and I want to choose light blue. Oh, I missed it, so let's try that again. Okay, so this is what it should look like at the end of it. Since Google Drive saves automatically, I'm finished at this point with the activity. I'm going to close it. I'm going to make sure that I get to Google Classroom, which would be by going through the McFerrin website that you guys have always gone to. So I have gotten back to my Google Classroom. I go into my class, I click open again, and then I'm going to follow the steps that it says. It says open, which I already clicked, add, which is down here. It says select Google Drive. So I'm on step 7 on your papers. And then I have to go find the file, which is in Classroom, in whichever class you're in, and then I click it. It will go fetch it. I tell it turn in, and you should be complete at this time. If there are any questions, please help each other and work quietly. I look forward to talking with you guys soon.